Hey beautiful souls, this is a super casual video because I'm wearing a t-shirt, I'm on a bike. Just kidding. I said it's casual because we're going to talk about informal contractions in English. Well, going with the definition, a contraction can be a word or a phrase that has been shortened by dropping one or more letters from it. Well, contractions can be both formal and informal. So just to give you an idea of what formal contractions are, I'm is a contraction of I am, didn't is a contraction of did not, I've is a contraction of I have. Well, this video is about informal contractions. It's widely used by native speakers and it's pretty common in Hollywood movies as well. I'm sure that you must have heard this word called gonna. Now, gonna is a contraction of going to. Similarly, we have wanna, which is a contraction of want to. Sorta is a contraction of sort of. And we have kinda, which is a contraction of kind of. Lemme is let me, gimme is give me. Well, there are certain contractions which can have more than one meanings. One such example is gotta. Now, gotta is a contraction of have got a and have got to. Let me illustrate this. I got a bike means I have got a bike. And I'm in desperate need of money, so I gotta sell it. Means I have got to sell it. Next one is gotcha. Now, gotcha is a contraction of got you, but it can take different meanings depending on the context. To give an example, suppose someone is explaining something to you and you understand them, you can say, I gotcha. Well, imagine you're a cop and you apprehend a criminal who was on the run for a very long time. You catch him and you say, I gotcha. Or suppose you play a prank on someone and they fall right into it. You can say, I gotcha. Gotcha can also be used as a form of retaliation, to express retaliation. Suppose you're playing a game with your friend and he beats you. You play again and this time you win. You can say, I gotcha. The next one is whatcha. Now, whatcha is a contraction of what are you, what have you, and what do you. Whatcha doing? What are you doing? Whatcha been doing? What have you been doing? Whatcha think? What do you think? So I guess that was enough for an informal session. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you very soon. Till then, bye-bye, take care and stay safe.
English House. English at your fingertips.